Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to share 10 creative woodworking ideas that can help you make money. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, these projects are perfect for starting your own woodworking business. Let's get started. Custom furniture. Create custom furniture pieces such as tables, chairs, bed frames, and shelves. Offer unique designs and high-quality craftsmanship to attract customers looking for one-of-a-kind pieces. Wooden home decor. Make wooden home decor items like wall art, picture frames, plant stands, and decorative trays. These items are popular for adding a touch of warmth and natural beauty to any home. Wooden toys. Craft wooden toys for children such as puzzles, building blocks, cars, and dollhouses. Parents are always looking for safe and durable toys for their kids, making this a profitable niche. Cutting boards. Design and create beautiful wooden cutting boards in various shapes and sizes. Personalize them with engravings or patterns to make them stand out. Wooden signs. Create custom wooden signs for home decor, weddings, events, or businesses. Offer personalized messages, quotes, or names to cater to different customer needs. Woodworking kits. Put together DIY woodworking kits for beginners or hobbyists who want to try their hand at woodworking. Include all the necessary materials and instructions for a fun and educational experience. Wooden planters. Build wooden planters for indoor or outdoor use. These versatile pieces can be customized in different styles and sizes to accommodate various plants and spaces. Pet furniture. Make pet furniture such as dog beds, cat trees, and feeding stations. Pet owners love to spoil their furry friends with stylish and comfortable furniture pieces. Wooden accessories. Craft wooden accessories like jewelry boxes, phone stands, key holders, and watch organizers. These small but practical items make great gifts and add a touch of elegance to any space. Custom woodworking services. Offer custom woodworking services where customers can request specific designs or modifications to existing pieces. This personalized approach can attract loyal customers who appreciate your attention to detail. There you have it, 10 creative woodworking ideas to help you make money with your woodworking skills. Whether you're looking to start a woodworking business or expand your current offerings, these ideas can inspire you to create unique and profitable products. Remember to showcase your work on social media, craft fairs, and online marketplaces to reach a wider audience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.